So this segment is to facilitate institutions consistently working towards ensuring value-based education and living. These institutions are torchbearers of humane education and providing a roadmap for upcoming institutes. So for this, I welcome on dais Chairman AICT, Professor Yogesh Singh Ji. We have Chairman NETF, Shri Anil Sahasrabudhe Ji. We have Chairman NC UHV, Professor H.D. Charan Ji. Chairman NCCIP, Shri Rajneesh Arora Ji. Member Secretary AICT, Shama Raj Ji. We invite you all to the dais for this felicitation of the nodal centers and the potential nodal centers. I humbly request all the heads of institutes, vice chancellors available here to be present. We'll be calling out the names of the institute, and we humbly request you to enter from this side, receive the certificate, and exit from the other side. Please come in front, sir. So I'll start calling out the names one after the other, starting with Central Region, Madhya Pradesh, Sage University, Indore, Institute of Engineering and Technology. We humbly request you to enter from this side and take an exit from the other side. I'll be calling region-wise one after the other. So this is the Central Region, Sage University, Indore, Institute of Engineering and Technology. Moving on to Central University, Gujarat, Sankal Chand Patel University, Visnagar. Moving on further, Western Region, Maharashtra, Maharashtra Institute of Technology, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, Maharashtra. I'm calling out the names. Again from Western Region, Maharashtra, Pune Vidyarthi Griha College of Engineering and Technology and Management, Pune. Now from the Southwestern Region, Kerala, TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, Kerala. SWR Karnataka, Pujya Dodayappa Appa College of Engineering, Kalaburgi. From Southwestern Region, Karnataka, Kerala, MB College of Engineering and Technology, Trivandrum. Mar Bacillus College of Engineering and Technology. From South Region, Tamil Nadu, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Kulantar, Chengalpattu. Karnataka, SWR. After SRM Institute of Science and Technology, following with that, South Region, Tamil Nadu, Sri Sai Ram Engineering College, Chennai. MB. आगे Welltech Rangarajan.
ये नोडल सेंटर है पोटेंशियल अलग करो
From South Region, Tamil Nadu, Welltech Rangarajan, Dr. Shakuntala, RD Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. From Southern Region, Tamil Nadu, Kumaraguru College of Technology, Coimbatore. From SCR region, Andhra Pradesh, Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology, Puttur. From Siddhartha Institute of Engineering and Technology. Moving on to SCR, Andhra Pradesh, Madanapalli Institute of Technology and Science, Madanapalli. SCR, Andhra Pradesh, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur. JNTUA. Now we are going to start with the Northwestern region, NWR, Punjab. Amritsar Group of Colleges, Amritsar. Amritsar Group of Colleges, please. Moving on, Punjab University, Chandigarh. IK Gujral Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. Hindustan College of Science and Technology, Mathura, from Northern Region, Uttar Pradesh. Next from the Northern Region is Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Next from NR Uttar Pradesh is Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial College of Engineering and Management, Lucknow. Sri Ram Swaroop Memorial College of Engineering and Management, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ghaziabad. Just wait, ma'am. No, ma'am. Just a second. SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Ghaziabad. Now, Rajkumar Goyal Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad. Rajkumar Goyal Institute of Technology, Ghaziabad. Kite Group of Institutions, Ghaziabad.
they have taken there?
Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology from the Eastern region, Sikkim.
या उसको खींच लो।
Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology.
For the potential node.
Now we'll start with the potential nodal centers. I humbly request the potential nodal centers to be ready with this. So starting with the western region, Maharashtra, SNJB's late Sau Kantabai Bhavarlalji Jain College of Engineering, Neminagar, Chindwad. Next, St. Francis Institute of Technology, Mumbai. St. Francis Institute of Technology, Mumbai. Then we have Shivaji Rao S. Jondle College of Engineering and Technology, Asangaon. STM College of Engineering and Technology, Dharwad, Karnataka. Yennapoya Institute of Technology, Moodbidri. Yennapoya Institute of Technology from Karnataka. HKBK College of Engineering from Karnataka, Bangalore. Swami Vivekanand Yog Anusandhan Sansthan, Bengaluru. KGISL Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. Sri Manakula Vinayanagar Engineering College. Sri Manakula Vinayanagar Engineering College, Puducherry. Manakula Vinayanagar Engineering College. KGISL Institute. KGISL Institute. Okay, please go ahead. The Gandhigram Rural Institute, Dindigal. Gandhigram Rural Institute, Dindigal. After this, Kongu Engineering College, Tamil Nadu. Kongu Engineering College, Tamil Nadu. Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. Aditya University, Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Aditya University. Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology. Mari Lakshman Reddy Institute of Technology and Management, Telangana. NBKR Institute of Science and Technology, Vidyanagar, Andhra Pradesh. Koneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Koneru Lakshmaya Education Foundation, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Technia Institute of Advanced Studies, Delhi. Manipal University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Manipal University, Jaipur. Gateway Institute of Engineering and Technology, Delhi, NCR, Sonipat. Gateway Institute of Engineering and Technology, Delhi, NCR, Sonipat. Chandigarh Engineering College, Mohali, Punjab. Chandigarh Engineering College, Mohali, Punjab. University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Engineering College, Bharatpur. University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur. Engineering College, Bharatpur. JECRC University, Jaipur. JECRC University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. PCTE Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ludhiana. PCTE Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ludhiana. Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies, Faridabad, Haryana. Govind Vallabh Pant Institute of Engineering and Technology, Pauri, Uttarakhand. गोविंद वल्लभ पंत इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी पौड़ी उत्तराखंड, इंद्रप्रस्था इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज गाजियाबाद, यूनाइटेड कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड रिसर्च प्रयागराज, इंद्रप्रस्था इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज गाजियाबाद, यूनाइटेड कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड रिसर्च प्रयागराज उत्तर प्रदेश, राजकुमार गोयल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट गाजियाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड साइंस गाजियाबाद, राजकुमार गोयल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड मैनेजमेंट गाजियाबाद, इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी एंड साइंस गाजियाबाद उत्तर प्रदेश, मेरठ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मेरठ, मेरठ इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मेरठ, शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी आगरा, शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी आगरा, followed by this is Jaipuria Institute of Management Ghaziabad, Sharda University Agra, Jaipuria Institute of Management Ghaziabad, Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology Itanagar Arunachal Pradesh, नहीं अरुणाचल प्रदेश, जयपुरी, अच्छा these are from nice. Jaipuria Institute of Management Ghaziabad, Northeastern Regional Institute of Science and Technology Itanagar Arunachal Pradesh, वीर सुरेंद्र साई यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी संबलपुर उड़ीसा, वीर सुरेंद्र साई यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी संबलपुर उड़ीसा, मूविंग ऑन टू द सेंट्रल रीजन, संकलचंद पटेल कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग विसनगर गुजरात, we have few interested centers available over here, starting with the interested centers taking up responsibility as potential and nodal centers. So Padma Shri Dr. V.B. Kotle College of Engineering, Maharashtra. Padma Shri Dr. V.B. Kolte College of Engineering, Malkapur, Maharashtra. Chaudhary Devilal University, Sirsa, Haryana. Chaudhary Devilal University, Sirsa, Haryana. Chaudhary Devilal University, Sirsa. Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra. Shri Mata Vaishno Devi University, Katra. Bhuvan Malti College of Education, Patna, East Champaran, Bihar. One more, I think. One certificate, I think. I hope all the present nodal centers and potential nodal centers have received the certificates.
A few left with the civil courier.
So the remaining certificates will be sent by courier to the respective institutes. So with this, we are towards the roadmap. So I would request Rajneesh sir to please outline the roadmap ahead. UHV as a national movement through collective participation. Welcome, sir.
5 minutes. Thank you very much. I think this was a very hectic day today. I will not take much time. I'll just put two issues before you. As it was very much highlighted that the leadership efforts, leadership initiative is the most important part here. That is the reason that in this whole structured program, we have formulated that we had very successful experiments in different universities. That is 1 day leadership program, starting from morning till evening, minimum 4 sessions. For the leadership, that means the vice chancellors and in the private institutions, the owners of the universities. So that if they come to know about the content and the pedagogy, so it takes the whole effort very easily to the whole institution and the university and the region itself. The second is a 3-day program for management. Management means the middle level management, principals and directors and deans of the institution, or maybe the head of the departments, where they can discuss, they can interact for this content more in detail for 3 days, and that is the program for the management people. Then comes the 5-day program or the 8-day program for the faculty members, which almost in all the regions and in so many institutions that has already been conducted. Many people said that this thing should go to the schools. And why it is in higher education? Mainly the major bottleneck for this whole effort is the teachers for school education. It is true that it should come to the schools, but if we need teachers, we have to start with the higher education, because they are the future policy makers, they are the future parents, they are the future teachers in schools as well as colleges. So this is the direction for to take this whole UHV program at a now higher speed. Now we can have a quantum jump. This from 4,000, we have to reach 40,000. So this is the responsibility of nodal centers and potential centers. Rajul ji has already discussed about the responsibility which is there now with the nodal centers. They are about, I was being asked that how many centers have been given this responsibility. You know that 27 nodal centers and 44 potential nodal centers, total 71 are there. And with this support, I'm sure that we will move forward with a much higher speed. With this, I just close. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And now I would like to invite Dr. Neetu Bhagatji, Director UHV Cell AICT, for vote of thanks. Ma'am, please. respected dignitaries on the dais, esteemed vice chancellors, distinguished guests, faculty members, and dear participants. It's my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on the occasion of this enlightening Vice Chancellor's Conclave on Universal Human Values organized by AICT and AIU. On the outset, I express our deepest gratitude to all the distinguished Vice Chancellors and leaders of higher education who graced this conclave with their presence and shared their valuable insight for this conclave. Your thoughts and experiences have truly enriched our understanding of universal human values into education. We are sincerely thankful to the AICT, NCCIP, and AIU authorities for conceptualizing and successfully conducting this meaningful conclave. We are sincerely we thank to all nodal centers, potential nodal centers, and interested centers. Your continued efforts in promoting value-based education are commendable and will have a lasting impact on the academic ecosystem. We extend heartfelt thanks to our eminent speakers and panelists for their inspiring deliberations. Your perspectives have provided us with clarity, direction, and motivation to foster a more humane and value-driven education system. Our appreciation also goes to all the participants for their active involvement and thoughtful engagement, which made this conclave more vibrant and interactive. We would like to acknowledge the efforts of organizing team, coordinators, and support staff whose dedication and hard work ensured the smooth conduct of this event. As we conclude, let us carry forward the essence of today's discussion and strive to embed universal human values in our institutions and our lives. Once again, I thank each one of you for your presence and contribution. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. As we conclude, let us remember education is not just about making a living, but about making a life and enabling others to do the same. May this conclave strengthen our resolve to nurture not just skilled graduates, but responsible, harmonious human beings. Loka samasta sukhino bhavanti. With this, now let's have the national anthem. We request all to please stand. So thank you everyone, wishing all for